Hello everyone, welcome back. So today I'm just going to shoot a quick tutorial on how to set up a subdomain if you are using either BlueHost or GoDaddy as your host. So the reason why you'd want to set up a subdomain, like for me, for example, I have courses that I sell, so I would set up a courses.savagemediaventures.com domain and host my courses there. So it would be a different WordPress install, it would be a different theme or the same theme if I wanted to, like I could use Zippy on that domain, or if I wanted to sell like child themes, for example, I would set up their own subdomain and that would be the domain that you could do the demo on. So there's many reasons why you might have a second blog that you want to not have on your main website. So you would set up that blog on its own subdomain and then just link it to your nav bar on your main site. So whatever your reason is, there is ways to do that. So I'm logged in to my BlueHost, as you can see. And BlueHost is a little bit easier than GoDaddy. GoDaddy, I had to really look around. Their instructions are outdated and it's kind of confusing actually. GoDaddy used to be really super simple. Now they've complicated things for some reason. Okay, so let's go ahead. So like I said, I am logged into my BlueHost backend. I'm going to want to go to domains and then from domains, you'll see this other secondary navigation bar right here pops up and you can hit subdomains. Okay, and then you are going to want to put in whatever your subdomain name is. So let's say blog. And if you have more than one domain bought on your account, you just hit the down arrow, select which domain you want to work with, and then you'll see the subdomain folder gets created automatically at the same time. So I don't actually want to call this blog. I want to name it e-commerce base, because that is the name of one of the subdomains rather, that I want to use with my website, and that's just a little project I'm working on. So you'll see that if I just tab, that changes the public folder name, and then you hit create. And it's just that, easy peasy. And you just have to wait for it to think and do its thing. And then you're done. You can return to subdomains and add some more. If not, if you're ready to install WordPress and new install, then you choose whatever domain from the drop down menu here. I want to use my e-commerce base.savagemediaventures.com. You want to set your site title or leave it blank, it doesn't matter. Your admin username, you want to use anything but admin. If you have followed me or have listened to me preach on this, you want to use anything but admin. So pick something that makes sense to you. And I'm going to just go with something simple. Okay, and then choose your password. Just write that down because I always set passwords and I forget. And then I'm locked out of stuff, so not cute, not a fun time. And make sure it's a strong password, will you? Just bear with me while I do this. Okay, and then the email, the admin email is whatever you want it to be, whatever your email address is. Okay, and then that is it. You install WordPress. Oh, okay, apparently the site title is required. And now we get to install WordPress. Okay, let it think, do its thing. Okay, and then as you see, it'll tell you that you have successfully created a new WordPress installation, and then you can view the installation details below. And then you need to refresh the page. Okay, so as you can see, then it returns you, after you do the refresh, it returns you to the user's page here. You'll see your domain, e-commerce space, Savage Media Ventures, and then you will see your user down here. You can log in or you can reset the password. Your login to begin with will be the regular /wp-admin/, and then you can go in and install a plugin like WPS hide login to create a unique login URL for your WordPress backend. You know, again, if you've listened to me for any amount of time, I am a huge advocate for that as well. You don't want people to be able to hack your account very easily. So if you change your login URL, that is just another layer of security for you. So that is the end of this quick little tutorial. If you have any questions about any of it, or if you'd like me to do another host, then just give me a shout and I will record a video. Talk to you later.